this does is it gives a sense of false hope and false confidence na okay na ang pasyente, mubalik dahil sila duwa og basketball, mubalik og duwa og soccer, taekwondo. Then they feel again inig lamig na kaing dula, mo pivot dayon human they feel na mulagutok or mo mabilin ang ilang tuhod because it is still injured. And within 1 to 2 weeks, wala na'y hubag, but the ACL does not heal. If it's a complete tear, but well, all doctors, any orthopedic surgeon knows na these injuries, they really need to be reconstructed. We want you to have a strong and stable knee na makabalik mo sa sports. Dili taganahan na kanang mubalik mong sports na mabilin ang tuhod, unstable gihapon, and kung naamo injury sa tuhod, you will know na you're not yet 100%.